I hope you are doing well today. Welcome back. Let's begin. Don't forget to spread the word. These videos may help students too. The western tanager is a medium-sized American songbird. The species' plumage and vocalizations are similar to other members of the cardinal family. Adults have pale, stout pointed bills, yellow underparts, and light wing bars. Adult males have a bright red face and a yellow nape, shoulder, and rump, with black upper back, wings, and tail. In non-breeding plumage, the head has no more than a reddish cast and the body has an olive tinge. Females have a yellow head and are olive on the back, with dark wings and tail. Now, let's listen to its call. Beautiful, isn't it? I am very happy that you could spend some time for these wonderful animals. I will be waiting for your next visit, don't forget. Bye and take care of yourself. Have a pleasant day ahead.